As we are living in the digital world, we are doing a lot of things online. E-commerce is a rampant thing. There are going to be out on road more and more vehicles. And these vehicles, typically when you look at it, either they are too small or they're too large for a job to be done. More than 80% requirements can actually fit on a vehicle which is slightly bigger than a regular commuter vehicles. So we are not just creating a logistics or delivery vehicle, but it's a kind of a business user vehicle focused on doing anything and everything that is possible on a compact vehicle. It's an electric vehicle, so you save a lot of cost from the fuel standpoint. When you're starting doing something which has never been done, you don't have benchmarks. So whatever you do becomes a benchmark. Having a solid software platform becomes imminent requirement for us because we spent thousands of hours actually digital modeling it, thinking it, rethinking it, and again rethinking it.
It should be built tough so that it lasts long, and it should not give a lot of downtime to the user. Secondly, when it comes to electrical architecture of it, there has to be a lot of simulations done to predict its failure, specifically with the control of its temperatures.
We started working on SOLIDWORKS from the day one. And as we progressed, we understood that we need a much more faster integrated tool. With the 3D Experience Works, all of those challenges just went away like this, because it has been so cohesively integrated that you never even realize that you are playing between a design and a simulation very seamlessly.
So the engineer knows all the critical aspects of the design, then he pushes it towards the production guys to release the drawings, and the management has a very good control over the timelines of the deliverables.
First thing that we achieved out of the 3D Experience platform was a reduction in the weight of the structure itself, 30%. Second most amazing thing that we achieved was leveraging the CFD for getting the aerodynamics right. Third thing that we also improved is the battery thermals.
I have seen a very strong correlation between the simulation results and the physical models, and this gives a lot of confidence for me to trust onto the simulations once the correlation is established.
For any large manufacturer to build a vehicle, they will easily put in about $10 million to about $15 million. We did that in $1 million. I'm not saying that cost cutting, I'm saying that it's cost efficient. Leveraging a right software platform becomes the most integral part of it. And that's what, when we invested into the 3D Experience Works platform, that has been one of the best investments that we have done. I love 3D Experience platform because it is helping push Qargos into the future of mobility.